Hi, welcome to Mahalinga Market Rhythm. This is just another video for on SBI. How the chart will help us to represent the data, analyze the past, closing, opening. See, as you likely seen this lot of green and red candle. Okay, so how we can able to enter into the chart first? So I just want to verifying the daily chart. See the daily chart. This is the first point of consolidation for SBA. Okay. How do we predict the movement? That is the question. For that, we need to go back a little bit about the SBA stock performance. See, just forgot fundamental. Everything. Okay, fundamental will not help you in the bull market. Okay. If FII or DIA wants to buy some stocks, they will buy aggressively. You can see the movement for the past 2 months, how the stocks are reflecting. Even there are a lot of default factors. That means NPA history, bad loan history. Even banks are not doing very good. People are thinking that. But banking stocks are outperforming. Within 2 months, 6,000 to 7,000 points in the upside. How? In the bull market, you have to see the price action. What is the price action? See, the price is pushing the stock upward. Okay. See here. From this point, from 200, there is no significant downside on SBA. See, SBA coming down and it's going up, down and going multifold. Okay. After breaking this point, the next day opening around here, which is almost 36, 40 points, just 10% of gap up. Why? It's because of purely results. If that is the case, the last Q3, which means quarterly results, second quarter result exactly, is a multifold, threefold for SBA, but it is not. It was not going up. Okay, but here valuation, FIIs and DIA wants to buy one stock, and there is a technical breakout. It will go up. How do we find out? You can just remember this point. This is 4th of February 21, 351. I can change it to monthly chart. See here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 time. 4 time SBI coming to this location and this area, which is around 350, collapse, and here also collapse. Even COVID, the SBI falling up to 149.45, and see here, throughout the journey there is no significant downside. Normal investor or normal trader, how do we find the location where we can enter here? That's what. During the time of COVID, I used to suggest the clients to buy SBI around here, which is around 150 to 160. Okay, those who got the SBI here, I request them to book profit around here, because you can see here, this is a head and shoulder pattern. Here the head and shoulder pattern will not allow you to easily cross. See, that is my observation, I asked my people, please close your position because it may fall, but it is going up. So when you want to buy any stock, you should not buy in the middle of the rally. There may be a lot of chances you can be punished. Okay, people who bought at here, they can sell at here, right now. So when you are getting 160, when price is moving for 260, it is a very good profit. It's almost 50-60%. So you can easily get out from the position. Okay, and it's true also. See, there are multiple resistance around this area where you cannot able to predict the price is moving higher and higher. This is only can possible because of FII flows. Okay, but you can predict the support area. Look at the support area. On the COVID time, it was 149.45. On the same support line, previously it was 148.25, 2016. The same support taken 2014, 145.5, and there are two more support before that. That is also nearly 145. So 145 to 150, SBI managed to come back. So this is the area you have to focus. This is the area you have to focus. If you draw a Fibonacci retracement, okay, we can consider 52 week. So before COVID, it was 350 and touched 150 and back again 350. See this recovery from 200 to 275 and small pullback again 310 to 270. One more pullback. From here the stock is started like a rocket, and where you can enter in this bull run. See, first you can refer this Fibonacci, the full range Fibonacci. You can have a 226 is the first support, and 273 is the second support. Normally in Fibonacci, 0.382 and 0.618, these are the two golden line, and to support that exact point you have a trend line. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points. When you draw this trend line, which is confirming the price action is on the upside. So this area you have to watch carefully. You can draw another trend line from here to here, but you have to check the price action strength. There are many more indicators available to check the price action strength. But look at this trend line. This is most effective trend line where it is connected over 52-week high to the pullback. From there you can find the rally. See, 270 to 400. It's almost 130, which is equivalent to 40%. So this is how you have to find out the entry point. After this massive upside, okay, what we can do? If SBI breaks this point, that is 385.65, okay, which is the first sign of weakness in SBI. It is usually explained to all the people who, for the beginners, intermediate traders, when the support violated, which means SBI trading below this or closing below this point, it will be act as a resistance. Okay, how much fall we will expect? See, these gaps to be filled up. Normally, all the gaps will be filled up within 7 days to 21 days time. So that was the recent scenario. So it has to be filled up within this point. Once SBI comes here, you can start buying. I am not suggesting anyone to buy SBI at this level because it is a really highest point, peak point. So when SBI comes to here, you can buy, and you can buy till this 309. Aggressive traders, you can buy from here. Very normal trader, medium investor, or very low value investors, you can wait for 307 to 350 to start investing on SBI. That's it for this video. I will give you more stocks for the investment or day trading in my next videos. I hope the NSE is resume its activity because today it was down from the morning. So I'm going back to the trading. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Bye.